Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have for you this extra large ozone generator with UV sterilizing light. Now, ozone generators are fantastic in eliminating odors. We're talking all kinds of smells like pet odors, cooking, smoke, and so much more. Now, how it works is when you turn it on, it creates an ozone layer that reacts with the odor to break it up, and then it falls to the ground. That's why it's recommended to vacuum after using this. That's how you're going to truly eliminate the odors. As mentioned, this Deluxe model has a UV sterilizing light. Now, how that works is it draws in the air and destroys odor-causing bacteria, viruses, microorganisms, and more. And then it circulates the air back out into the area. This is so easy to use. It's got a timer that you can set for 20 minutes all the way up to 180, but it also has a hold feature that you can set to use as long as you want. Then you've got two levels of ozone, standard or maximum output. Plus, we mentioned the UV light. You can use the UV light by itself or flip the switch to generate ozone. Now, this is completely portable. It even has a handle, so you can take this from room to room. Let's say you burn dinner and you can't get rid of that smell. Use this. This is great to use in the attic, the basement, the garage, a bedroom. Let's say you've gone on vacation, you come back, the air's a little stale, use this. Now, I even used an ozone generator in my car that had spilled milk. Nothing would get rid of it. This did it. Please note, this is a professional grade unit, similar to the ones used in hotels and restaurants. So it's important you follow the instructions included, and they even give you this door hanger because you don't want you or your pets to be in the room while you're cleaning the air. Restoration companies like ServPro have been using ozone generators like this for years to eliminate odors, but they can charge you $800 or more. Well, we have a phenomenal price. You won't believe how low it is. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab your very own generator today.